We are here. It's caring for all beings, orphanage with our children, orphans, kids. We are so happy because we have a wonderful donation, a wonderful gift. We are saying thank you to Sheila who allow us to have these and all the providers who gave or give us this wonderful gift or donation. We have the stove and the washing machine. We are so happy because now we can say we are at the end of using the embers, uh, the end of washing with our hands. We are start by using our washing machine. I say thank you and may God bless you all. We love you. Do you have something to say?
Yes.
Who will say? I'm starting with Christian. Can you say something?
Thank you, Aunt Sheila, for the give us stove and washing machine. We are so happy. May God bless you.
And me also, I say thank you for the stove and washing machine. We are so happy, and God can bless you.
Question.
Go ahead.
Before today, you knew the stove and the washing machine?
Now,
Huh?
me, I haven't yet.
Before today.
We didn't know it.
Thank you, Aunt Sheila, for the gift you gave us today. We thank you. May God continue to bless you. It's our first time to see this one wonderful gifts you gave us, and we want to know how to use them.